talk about how to get 1,000 subscribers in just 10 days. I did it, so can you. To get 1,000 subscribers in 10 days, the first thing you want to take note of is your consistency. So if you're not consistent yet, you want to start being consistent. By consistency, I don't mean post every day, but if you can post every day, why not? So I've been able to grow my subscriber count to over 2,000 through posting short videos. And the second biggest source of my subscriber count is from my live stream, while the third is my long form videos. So guys, you want to start posting those short videos today to get your subscriber count up fast. Now, the next thing you want to do, you want to start engaging with other creators. Now, go to the pages of creators you admire. They mustn't be small YouTubers like yourself or myself. Just go to the pages of the people you admire and leave an interactive, engaging, or a nice comment there. Trust me, you're going to be getting 1 or 2 people coming from that page. Now, when people come to you, please don't feel too big. When people are interacting with you, when they're offering you like a hand of community, don't turn them down. Now you want to also pay back. You want to interact with other people's posts. You don't say what they are posting doesn't resonate with you. Remember, they're also watching yours, which does not really resonate with them. So you want to create and build a strong community. You want to create a community that will be there for each other. We're not speaking about sub for sub community. We're speaking about community that encourages each other by constantly putting out quality content to even help other members of that community. Now, the other thing you want to do, if you're not doing it yet, you need to interact with the comments on your wall. So whether you like it or not, you can't run away from it. One of the fastest way to build your brand or to build an engaged and loyal audience is by responding to their comments. Now you need to respond to comments, whether good or bad comments, deal with them appropriately and accordingly. The next thing you also want to do, if you are not doing that yet, I started doing that and I can see a lot of difference. You want to create a playlist. Create 1 playlist, 2, 3, even 10 playlists if you have to. Other thing you also want to do, you want to start live streaming. If you're not live streaming yet, what are you waiting for? So start your live streaming journey today. You don't have to start big. When I first started live streaming, I started from 10 minutes or 20 minutes at a time. And with time, I'm now able to live stream for even 3 hours talking non-stop. Now you can start live streaming. This will help build your subscriber count up as well. Again, remember to engage with people during your live stream. The only reason I'm engaging much during my live stream, maybe I am restreaming and it's taking a while for me to engage. So there you have it, guys. If you want to grow your subscriber count up fast, here is a rundown of what we just discussed. We said you want to start posting consistently. So whether it is once a week or once a day, you want to be consistent with your schedule. You need to start using apps. You need to use apps like vidiq. You need to use things like CapCut and Canva to optimize your post and also to create quality content. Now, if you are a shy person, you want to start dealing with your confidence. I've come to notice that my confidence level also shows in my videos. So the videos that I actually made with much confidence have seemed to do better than the ones I made when I seemed I was under duress. So the best thing you want to do for yourself is to start working on your confidence. How do you work on your confidence? Again, go to the pages of creators you admire. Leave comments there. Go there and engage with other small creators. Surround yourself with people whom you feel your best around. So go to creators whom you think of this person's style, or I think this person can be my community. Keep leaving comments there. If they don't respond to you the first time, the second time, they would come back to respond to you. That's one way of building a community and also building your confidence. Now, when you create a video, don't be shy or don't be afraid. Don't start asking questions of would they like my videos or not. You need to put those contents out there. Don't hoard your content. You need to dust those video files and start posting them today. Don't be in doubt. There is an audience for everybody on YouTube. So on YouTube, you need to show up. Now, one other thing that I found that works is gratitude. You need to be grateful to your subscribers. You need to be grateful to your audience. So whether they're watching your videos for just 10 seconds or 10 hours, you need to say thank you. So whether it is other creators that are supporting you, you also need to be thankful. So here are my simple tips. If you agree or if you don't agree, if any of them resonated with you or you have more advice for us, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.